Hello there everyone, long time no see. So once again my favorite motherboard to repair is back. So this is a 2015-17 MacBook Air with no light on the MagSafe and the power consumption is 54 milliamps. It should be somewhere around 500 plus, but it is 54 milliamps. There's no light on the adapter and the board looks completely clean, but I can notice one problem here. I'll just show you under the microscope. And here we go. This is something related to the S5, S4 and SO state. But this has got nothing to do with the MagSafe light not working. Let's measure first. So let's measure how much are we getting. 3.42, 3.42 line volt or not. So here we go. What are we getting? 0.29 instead of 3.42 we are getting 0.29 on this. Let's just see, is there a short circuit on this line? So it went into resistance mode. Open line. The red probe goes on to the ground and the black probe goes here. Let's just see. Oh, it beeps. 1.2 ohm short to ground. I release it. I put it again. 1, 2, 3. Wow, there's a short circuit on 3V42 line. So what we'll do from now is, from here we'll plug the charger and we'll get on to the thermal inspection and see are we able to see anything on the thermal camera, and we'll take it forward from there. So this is the charger. It is connected. You can see the outline or the design of the board here. So let's just check under the mic. Oh, whoa. We got it. So this thing is hitting about 51 degrees. Let's see what is this thing. So I can see the heat spot here. So let's get off from the thermal camera view and check in the normal view what is the thing which is getting heated up. Apart from that, I don't see any other heat spots on the board. Not even the SMC. SMC is not heating. So here we are, back into the normal mode. Let's go under the microscope. Let me just look at the part for you which is heating up. You got it in the right angle. So if you can see, this is the chip. The 3V42 regulator is the one which is heating up. So this is responsible for creating the light on the charger. So I can also see some corroded components around it. Let me just take those out and get back. So the chip is out. Just remove the chip. Now measure and see, is the short circuit still there or gone? So previously it was showing us 1.2, 1.3 ohms to ground. So now let's see, 1, 2, 3. Oh, it doesn't beep anymore. It says OL. OL means open line. So that means the short circuit is relieved. You can see this was a chip removed. What the hell? It shows 2 ohms now. It still shows the short. Let me just see again. I'll remove this coil. I'll take out this coil, and that way we'll know which side of the line is short. So we are in the thermal camera view once again. So you can see these 2 wires. These 2 where I am injecting voltage. And when I am injecting, you know what's heating up? It's the SMC. SMC is heating up. So we'll replace the SMC and take it forward from there. The SMC is out. As you can see, SMC is removed. Now let's check if it's still shorting to ground. What is the resistance to ground on 3V42? Probe on ground, black lead. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it doesn't beep anymore, but it says open line. Previously also it showed open line. Now also it shows open line. I just want to keep it holding for some time. Let's hold it for 10-15 seconds. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. It's still OL. That means the culprit was SMC. This is the culprit. So let's now replace this part and get back from there. So SMC replacement is done, but still it was stuck at around 69, 70 milliamps. So I was testing for RTC signal. If you can see, this is the capacitor for RTC. The signal which I am measuring, this is straight connected to the PCH, and on this line it is showing 001 voltage drop. That means this is a dead short to ground on PCH. So probably there is a dead PCH on this MacBook. As you can see, this is a diode mode reading. So on the continuity mode, it beeps 1.8 ohms. So that means the MacBook cannot be fixed. It has a dead PCH. Rest in peace, MacBook. One of my favorite MacBooks, not fixable. Thank you for watching. See you next time.